We'll guide you through how to download Figma onto your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Figma website by typing figma.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Started or Download button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to find. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can choose between different download options. For desktop users, you'll want to select the option for Windows or Mac, depending on your operating system. Click on the appropriate download link, and the installation file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This typically involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and selecting the installation location, but you can usually stick with the default options. After the installation is finished, you can open Figma by finding it in your list of programs or applications. When you first open Figma, you'll be prompted to log in or create an account if you don't have one already. Simply enter your credentials or sign up if necessary. Figma is now ready to use, and you can start creating your designs. It's a powerful tool for designers and teams, offering features like real-time collaboration and a wide range of design capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.